Today we're going to talk about silver and how I think it has really helped change my mindset on saving money. Now, before I started investing into silver, I've always been an impulse buyer. Money has always entered my bank from my wages from earning, and it's exited just as quick. But once I started accumulating this stuff and I started building a stack, it was amazing how not only did my whole mindset change on saving money, but also it was amazing how quickly it became to actually not only enjoy saving, but really accumulate a meaningful stack. Now, these coins that you can see in today's video, I paid about £20 each for these coins only a short while ago. Now, these coins now currently sell for around about £65. So if I would have just had, let's say one for an example, the £20 that I spent on this coin a few years ago, if I had that £20 sitting in my wallet or sitting in my bank, that £20 would have been spent a long time ago. But the fact that I converted it into silver, not only made it harder for me to spend, because I can't suddenly spend this now down the pub or buy a new pair of trainers or a new t-shirt. Before I can actually spend this ounce of silver, I have to convert it back into fiat currency. So I have to find a buyer, I have to sell it, I have to get that money back, I have to go through all these different layers and processes before I can actually spend this money. It has also gone up in value, because if I was to have that same £20 and leave it sitting in my bank for the same amount of time, as there's more and more money being printed every single day, the value of that £20 can no longer buy what it did a few years ago. So silver for me is a way of saving money. It completely changed my mindset with saving. It completely changed everything, really. It changed my whole outlook on investing. I always enjoyed investing once I discovered it. I've been investing now for around about 6 years in total. And precious metals was one of the last investments that I actually started really taking seriously. And that was because I got caught up on all these investment apps and crypto and basically numbers on a screen. And it was only when I actually physically held my very first ounce did I feel the power of actually owning something physical. I know it's really nice when you load up your stocks and shares app and you can see that your index funds are performing well. And it's something you can actually talk about down the pub. You can't go down the pub and say, I've got 500 ounces back at my house. But you can whip out your phone and go on whatever trading platform you use, and you can show your friends the balance and how much you've managed to make over the last few years. But until you've actually physically had an investment that you can hold tight in your hands, it's such a different and satisfying feeling. And that is why, for me, physical silver really changed everything for me, because for me, feeling physical wealth in your hand is so much better feeling than actually just seeing numbers on the screen. Before I started investing in precious metals, I used to invest in stocks and shares and crypto, and it just wasn't the same feeling. When you're loading up an app and you're seeing numbers on a screen, it's not the same feeling. And those of you that stack physical precious metals, you'll know exactly what I mean. But it's just not the same feeling as actually holding something physical in your hand, having this stuff in your possession, and the fact that nothing can hack this. I can't wake up one day and those numbers on a screen have disappeared. I know many people in my friends group outside of YouTube that invest in the stock market, and they tell me that every day they have to load up their stocks app and their trading platform just to make sure that the money's still sitting in there. It's almost like they wake up in the morning and the first thing they do is they have to log into their app just to go, it's all still sitting there. Whereas for me, this stuff, when I get home, it'll go back in a safe, I'll lock up the safe, and I won't check it every single day. Sometimes a couple of days will go by and I won't even think about it. Sometimes a week will go by and I don't even think about it. Sometimes even a month will go by and I won't even think about it. But then when I do want to get it out and have a little play around with it or make a video, I open up the safe and I take it out. And that peace of mind is a really, really nice feeling. And those of you that have just started getting involved in precious metals will be able to relate with that. And you'll be able to relate with the feeling of actually holding something physically in your hand versus just seeing numbers on a screen. So just a short video there today, really, just to talk about my thoughts on silver and just try and inspire people that are watching today's video to have a little look into physical assets. You don't have to invest in silver. You can invest in gold, you can invest in property, but there's something really special about having something physical instead of just investing on numbers on a screen. And the fact that this stuff is harder to convert back into fiat really helps you accumulate large and meaningful amounts. If you've got all your money in a stocks and shares app, it probably only takes you 1 or 2 clicks and that money is back in your account as fiat. Whereas this is a little bit harder to do. You've got to find a buyer, you've got to ship it out. It adds a few more stages to the process of converting this back to fiat. And that sometimes actually makes you think of alternative ways to raise funds instead of selling down your stack. So in turn, it helps you build a much more substantial amount of this stuff over a long period of time. So thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Put these back in my pocket now and hope I don't lose them.